Hello YouTube, welcome back to episode 2 of creating a Discord bot. Today we're going to be creating some commands and so last video what we did is we basically got the bot online, but there's basically no basic tutorial and it just turns on and that's it. So we're going to be we're actually going to be creating commands and we are going to be doing all that stuff. So last video we got all this stuff. If you haven't watched it yet, go watch it. We got our token here. Everything is set up. So yeah, so we're gonna create a const. We're gonna call this prefix, and our prefix is basically what is going to be activating the bot commands. So mine will be just exclamation mark. So what prefixes are is let's do my public bot. So semicolon is a prefix, and if I do help, that basically tells what to do. So my prefix will be exclamation mark, so we do exclamation mark like that, and we are declare something. So after that we're going to create a couple lines over here, and inside those lines we're going to create another bot.on. We're going to call this message and message. I see a lot of people do MSG, but just do message because it's really easy. And do a simple arrow function, and I'm going to do let args equal message dot content dot substring, and this is when the prefix dot length dot split and not trim. So that's when the prefix, we are declaring some prefix. As you can see, it's not it's highlighted, so that means it is declared, not declined. It is declared, but this is not defined. Why do I keep saying declined? Defined. So I'm gonna now we're gonna do switch args, switch args. As you see, it defines args and like that. So that's our basic structure of adding commands to our bot. Now whenever you want to add commands, you're gonna need to do case and space and either quotations or apostrophes. I just like doing apostrophes because it's easier. And then the command. So let's do ping, and then in the quotations open, you are going to put a colon. Press enter, and there's two options that you can do. There's message.channel, channel.send, or there's message.reply. So let me fix this. Yeah, message.reply. I want to do message.reply first, and we'll just do pong, and whatever is in here will be replied. So to break it, we need to just do break. So now I'm gonna do a hello and message.channel.send is keywords whack. This keyword have is shut up. Message.channel send hello there. That's my dog. Quiet pupper. And break. So basically what that does is okay, so now we can save it, and if you do node space start, it will say it is online now, and holy crap, I got pings. So now we're gonna do we can't do a help because there's it doesn't auto do it for us, but next video we will be doing the whole command handler and basically everything that you need to so what was it? Yeah, so we should do hello. It's gonna apply back hello there, but it's not gonna mention us. But now if we do ping, it's gonna reply back to us with an @ pong. So that's what the message.channel.send and the message.reply is. So let's say if we want a command that's info version, like that. So let's create that. We're gonna need to do Let me just fix this real quick. We're gonna do another case. Info. I'm gonna do if args 1 is equal to version, and open the brackets, curly bracket, return message dot channel dot send version 1. That, and then with this little curly bracket right here, we're going to return a else statement with another curly bracket, message dot reply invalid args. That's it. And of course we need to do another break right there. Nope, like that. So I am just gonna clarify something here. You can see whatever is like past this won't get read. So like if I put this, if I delete it and put it right here, it won't work because it's giving us errors. So that won't work. So make sure it's in these little area here, and you can see right here there's a line right here which is going to be the section. So it even formats it for us too, so that's pretty cool. And yes, there's that, there's that, and that's it. So now if we do run it, node space dot info, it's gonna tell us invalid args, info version 1.1 or whatever version you want. But it doesn't have to be version, or you can limit, like if I want this to be that and just put hello. Just get rid of this here. Get rid of this command, and then YouTube, and then like that. Node space dot hello YouTube. I spelled it wrong. Hello YouTube. There you go. That's basically what it doesn't have to be info version or info whatever. You can customize it to your liabilities and whatever that you want to create your bot as. Next tutorial, we're going to be creating some embeds. Basically what embeds are is, if I do my public bot help, these are embeds. They're really cool, really efficient, and that's in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys later. Peace out. Bye bye.